Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Garima Aurora and I'm a senior immigration advisor at UK Visas. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the English language requirement for UK-based visas. Many of the visa categories for the UK require the applicant to prove their English language. The type of English language test you will need to sit depends on the type of visa you're applying for. Different routes also require different levels of English ability to be proven. Those who are 65 and over are exempt from taking the test, as well as those under 18. Also, if you have a long-standing physical or mental condition and you can provide independent evidence of this, then you will be exempt from taking the test. Also, those from majority English-speaking countries do not have to prove their English proficiency. There are a couple of requirements when you're sitting the test. The test has to be on the list of approved English language test providers. The test has to be sat in an approved center, and the results should be awarded within the last 2 years before the date of your application. Otherwise, the test is considered to be expired and you will have to resit another test. As I said before, there are different tests for different routes. You will need to take a test that assesses your reading, writing, speaking, and listening. If you're applying under any of the following routes: skilled worker, startup, innovator, minister of religion, or student. For the following types of application, you will only need to take a test that assesses your speaking and listening. These are sportsperson visa, representative of an overseas business, partner, parent, settlement, so indefinite leave to remain or enter, or citizenship. There are currently 5 approved test centers that include IELTS, Language Cert, Pearson, PSI, and Trinity College. Trinity College is only UK based, whereas the other 4 have centers internationally. So those coming to the UK will only have 4 options, and those in the UK will have 5 test center options. The list is constantly updated, so it's good to keep an eye out on what providers are on the current list, because if they move from the list and you submit your application after, then you will have to reset the test with a current provider. The approved language tests are the IELTS test, IELTS for life skills, which is for routes such as the partner route, or there's the IELTS for UKVI, general or academic, which assesses your 4 components of speaking, listening, reading, and writing, which is relevant for visas such as the skilled worker visa. For language cert, it's the Language Cert International ESOL CELT. Pearson's offer the PTE Academic UKVI or PTE Home. PSI Services, the approved test is the Skills for English UKVI. And for Trinity College London, you have to sit the Secure English Language Test for UKVI, Integrated Skills in English, ISI, or Graded Examination in Spoken English, GESE. So those were the list of the approved English test. As I stated before, the level of test you will need to take depends on the immigration route you are applying for. So it's very important that you find out which is the correct English test you need to set for your visa type. If you sit the incorrect test, the visa can be refused, or the caseworker may give you 10 working days to resit the correct test and upload evidence of this. The minimum score has to be met in each individual component of the test. So you will need to get the minimum score in listening, reading, writing, and speaking. You can't fail one component and pass the others and still expect to use that test. Reasonable adjustments can be made for individuals with a disability. You can put special requests when you book your test. If you use a test in a successful application and make continuous applications in the UK, then you can use the same test even after the 2-year expiry period, as long as it meets the criteria for the next application you are making. If you have a majority English taught degree, then you can get an ECTIS report, which used to be called UK NARIC. That means you don't have to sit a test. You'll just have to provide your documents in relation to your degree, and ECTIS will verify this and provide a report about your degree being equivalent to a UK bachelor's or master's degree, and they will also grade your English to level B1, C1. If you would like any assistance with your visa, or if you have any questions to do with the English language requirement, please feel free to contact us. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, you can also put them in the box below. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you soon.